Hi guys!
Hey, how you doing?
So we're bringing the Miss Aniela Fashion Shoot Experience back to Captain Barnes' house on Staten Island in New York, April 12th and 13th. So 2 days, 10 photographer slots each day, shooting 5 models, all with different looks each day, styled by Leonid Gurevich. And we're going to chat about the mood boards that he has been preparing for us, the looks that he's been preparing.
Well, I'm starting with gold because I know you wanted a gold look, so...
Wow, yeah, that's amazing.
Sequins, glitter, jewelry, gold headpieces, maybe some pieces of armor, some Gustav Klimt, obviously. An explosion of gold. Some gold leaf over the hair. She's gonna look like a goddess, mythical creature. Here's another mood board. I was inspired by the Underwater Kingdom. I wanted the models look like they are Captain's memories, or maybe his past lovers, you know, some romantic stories from his travels. Maybe he had an affair with a mermaid. And also, this is like an homage to our own mermaid from our Nikon photo shoot. So there's that. Definitely, I'm seeing a dress made from fishnet, maybe with starfish stuck in there somewhere, seaweed, pearls, wet hair, glistening skin, and maybe even put bits and pieces of old destroyed ship in her hair, you know?
Yeah, absolutely loving that one. That's just totally up my street.
I definitely want...
Stunning.
Thank you. I definitely want one look to look like the dress is a live dress growing on the model. So I envisioned this dress that I want to make from baby breath and secure it on a metal base all the way down from her shoulders down to the floor. Now she's going to look like she's growing there.
Yeah, gorgeous. Lots of volume, colour, texture.
Exactly, exactly. This is inspired by the very memories and some notes, some love letters that Captain's loves exchange with him. Also inspired a lot by the latest Margiela collection, where the dresses are made from something that looks like cardboard. I want to create this big, voluminous dress from wallpaper from my house. We moved in a year ago, and I saved those wallpapers, and I want to turn them onto love letters on the model. It's going to look like handwritten notes. It's one of the past lovers of the captain that, you know, kind of remained on the island and never saw him again. So she's sending these letters into the ocean, hoping he'll get them, and it just never happens.
Yeah, I love that.
The concept of a perpetual sadness, you know, very romantic, very touching.
Yeah, I love it.
The burst of color! There's definitely going to be a look, super colorful. Reminds me of our toucan look. Very kitsch.
It reminds me of so many looks.
Exactly. It kind of draws them all in together. Very kitschy, vibrant, colorful, very Lady Gaga.